Hey guys, Ty the RV guy here with Rangeland RV, and behind me is the all-new R-Pod 202. This trailer features an amazing front bedroom with a walk-around queen bed, a pass-through bathroom, and a dinette on the slide in the main area to finish it off with a beautiful rear kitchen. Let's have a look. So let's talk a little bit about the specs and construction on this new R-Pod here. So what you're going to get out of the 202 floor plan is you have a total length of 25 feet from pin to bumper and a rough dry weight of about 4,600 pounds. This is going to be great if you have any light half-ton truck or if you have a larger SUV. Towing the R-Pod is going to be a breeze for you. Now, one of the cool things that you've never seen before on R-Pod that you'll get out of this 202 is it has a tandem axle system, and of course, like you've seen throughout R-Pod, they have the independent rubber ride suspension on here. Now, going into a little bit more detail, R-Pod also offers a full aluminum cage construction with a block foam insulated laminated wall, and they also use a really cool product called Asdel, which is a composite wallboard material. Gets rid of your old wood Luan and replaces it with a better, lighter, and it's actually a more insulated wall that you'll gain out of this too, and it's better for the environment. Let's have a look at some of the cool features on the exterior. So let's talk about some cool features on the exterior of this new R-Pod 202. So one of the first things that you're going to notice at the front of the trailer here is you'll have a full pass-through storage compartment. This is great especially if you have those nice big folding camp chairs, because you'll always have a spot to put them. And R-Pod just introduced the new keyed alike system for all your baggage doors. Now what this allows you to do is actually use the same key for your deadbolt on your actual baggage door locks too. So anybody out there with that little 751 key isn't able to access your camping gear. Now behind me, like you can also see, you have a full power awning here with a beautiful LED light strip, and this is actually a 12-foot awning too, to be exact. You'll have outside speakers, an outside scare light, and of course, never before seen on R-Pod, a full outside kitchen with an actual fridge. This is really cool. Gives you a spot to put your outside drinks and whatnot. Even underneath here, you'll have a little sliding tray where you can place your sink basin for your outside spray port here, and it's even got another little section that folds out for your outside grill. Now, behind me, you'll notice actually these brand new steps on the 202. Again, this is never something that R-Pod has done before, and the beauty of this is you'll notice where the steps are mounted, this would be actually where the folding steps would be. So it's great because you'll actually have these steps able to flip inside the actual trailer, so over the years your steps aren't being filled with gravel and dirt and becoming hard to use. These also clip into place, and you'll have adjustability on either side so you can get a nice firm entry into the trailer. Finishing up on the back side of the trailer, you'll have a pre-wire for a backup camera and a ladder to get up on top of there too, along with a full bumper, which you could even mount a bike rack to. Let's go inside and have a look at some of the cool features. So now that we're in the 202 R-Pod, I want to talk a little bit about the kitchen when you first walk in the door here. So like you can see on my right, R-Pod gives you a beautiful stainless front 6 cubic foot fridge. This is a gas and electric fridge too, so you'll be able to run it on both modes if you're parked at a campsite or if you're out dry camping in the bush. Now on my left side here, you'll notice you'll have a beautiful stainless convection microwave. You're also going to get a stainless dual cooktop here, which is recessed into the countertop with a tempered glass cover. And beside the stove, you'll also have a stainless tub sink. This again is also recessed into the countertop with a cover there, so you'll be utilizing as much counter space as possible in this kitchen. Like you can see, great overhead cabinetry here. You'll also have a range hood, so when you're cooking here, you'll be able to vent out all of those fumes. Let's have a look at the rest of the interior. So talking a little bit more in the main area of this R-Pod 202 here, like you can see, I'm sitting in this beautiful slide out dinette. This is great because it turns into an additional bed for you, but it also gives you a bunch of extra storage with some cabinet doors underneath this dinette, so you're not having to lift up the cushions to utilize that storage space. Now on my left side here and right across from the dinette, you're going to have a beautiful entertainment unit. So you have a nice spot for a large TV, and right beside the TV you'll even have a wardrobe closet for your jackets and things like that. Now underneath the TV, this is something that R-Pod's never done before, so we're pretty excited about this, but it's actually got a full electric fireplace in here, which works as an additional heater. So this will put out 5,200 BTUs of electric dry heat, which can efficiently heat up to 400 square feet. So if you'd like to, you could even use this to just heat the trailer up. Now, a couple of other firsts for R-Pod. You'll have full ducted air conditioning in here throughout the entire coach and a full ducted furnace in here, so climate control is going to be a breeze. So like you can see, we're in the bathroom now of the 202. Now, one of the big benefits you get by having this beautiful pass-through bathroom is it really opens up a lot of space in here. Plus, it gives you the advantage of having a full stand-up shower. Now with this shower, it's got a full plastic shower surround in there, so you're not worried about damaging the wallpaper. And it's even got a skylight, so tall guys like me can easily get in there and do what I need to do. On my right side, you're going to have a beautiful vanity, and our pods introduce a lot more storage in this bathroom now too. So you'll have a medicine cabinet underneath the sink, couple of drawers, and even a full linen closet here. And to top it all off, of course, your central vacuum's located there too. Now a couple little extra features, of course, you're going to have a foot flush toilet in here, and our pod's signature, your max air fan up in the ceiling. So this is again a 4-speed fan, and it's going to allow you to cool this trailer down efficiently and only by using battery. Let's have a look at the bedroom. So here we are in the bedroom now of the 202, and like you can see, there is plenty of space in here and plenty of headroom. Now, looking at the rest of the bedroom, you're going to have a full walk-around RV size queen here and some backlit wardrobes on either side, so it gives it that really nice modern touch. On my left side here, you're also going to have an additional spot for a TV here and some more shelving, so it really gives you that full at-home feel when you're inside this bedroom. You'll have the full panoramic views too, because you're going to have the full front windshield here, which is again automotive grade windshield glass, and of course 2 windows on either side, which opens up to give you a beautiful cross breeze. That pretty much wraps up this R-Pod here today. You know, guys, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. You know, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me through my email, which is tyler@rangelandrv.com, or have a look at our website for a couple extra floor plans, or if you have any questions, reach out to us there too at rangelandrv.com. Again, thank you very much for watching, and happy camping.